It turns out I found out why there's so much fire here. Apparently, Batu is an incredible water.
Really?
You've probably seen over by the cantina there was blast marks around there.
I think, but I think we get
a lot.
especially with the stories and stuff.
See,
Yeah.
George Lucas had an original idea, somewhat similar to what we have here for his storytelling. It was not going to be like a bad side of the but Disney bought the rights to it just to keep it playing.
Yeah. It's like barely even movies.
When he went like that, you guys think I was like, what? What are you doing?
BB-8, prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9 Num, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger. This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
This way, ICS will be boarding covered. All recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride. Deck is in motion. Recruits cause you to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara.
Let's go!
Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch. your line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also. Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, Nine Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Affirmative. Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make a jump.
Taking evasive action.
I'm trying. We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw them away.
Copy that. Give us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Our hands up front to make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want a location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance sympathizers, this vessel now belongs to the First Order. Oh my God, yes! You will exit immediately for interrogation.
Oh my God!
Keep moving.
Sorry.
That was not a request.
I'm innocent. I did nothing wrong.
Over the gray.
This was a diplomatic mission.
How many?
On all of them.
I'm with the.
Prisoners are secure.
Look at me now. Hey,
Notice me sometime.
what's your number?
What's your operating number?
Excuse me, you what?
You sound like trash. Do you have a shower?
I just went to the bathroom.
soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance.
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you. Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Yeah, bro.
Let's go. Green, orange will be on the right, red and blue on the left. Green, orange on the right, blue and red on the left. Blue and red on the left.
Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, take over the bridge.
Just follow us. Take the woods down. POV. Hurry.
It's gonna drop. No, it's not. Oh my god, boy.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer's about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Your escape routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Oh my god!